Man fi have enough girl and girl in a bungle. Girl from... You know the rest of the song, don't it? Yeah man, you know it. But before I continue, ensure that you're liking, following, sharing, commenting. So the question is, do we have a culture in Jamaica of polygamy, or do we have a culture of monogamy? In other words, do we have a culture of one woman, one man, or do we have a culture of one woman, multiple man, or one man and multiple woman? Because I would like to believe that my little brain has recognized a pattern, and I would really like to think that my little brain is certain that most, not all, most men want to have multiple women. Some, most women, not all, don't mind having multiple men. Some, not all, women don't mind sharing a man. So, I'm going to pass it over to you. What are your thoughts? Which way do you think Jamaica lean? Monogamy, one-on-one, or polygamy? One to many. Genuinely think about it. Put it in the comment section. I want to hear your thoughts.